Is there a dark background theme for Excel? Is there an easy way to apply a dark theme to my Excel windows? Black or gray background on all cells, light text. Ideally, this would be just a theme/view that could be applied, rather than actually changing the colors in the document itself.
Yes, there is. This can be done in both Excel 2007 and AMP 2010. I have 2010, so to change it, go to File and GT, Options and GT, General. These options are available there.
Okay, so I just figured out a solution, but it comes with drawbacks. You can use Windows arrow to change the default color of all programs, which will do exactly what you're asking for, but will affect most standard programs as well. So here's what you do. Right-click on Desktop. Select Personalize. Select Window Color button. Select Advanced Appearance Settings. In the box that opens, look for a box that says Active Window. Click in the white space of that box. Just below said box, it will have a drop-down menu titled Color 1. Select this drop-down menu and choose any color you'd like. This will change the background color of Excel, Word, etc. Hope this helps.
So, this is not my answer, and I found this workaround from a Reddit user u/countdown8. He posted this image and I am posting the link. Hopefully, it helps people as it helped me. This URL. This is the original thread I got it from. This URL.
Informatique suppose de ce réel, la sensibilité